let's go ahead and get into this American breakfast. It is Saturday, November the 15th. The weather look good outside. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. I got a late start this morning. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get it started. And we're going to start by washing. I said it. Yes. Washing our grits. And I'm going to give it a couple washes. I think I'm going to do like 2 washes. On screen, I'm going to do an additional 2 more off screen. So what this do, washing your grits, it takes some of the starch out. As you wash it a couple times, you'll see your water, first off, water start a cloudy look. And after a couple washes, the water is going to clear up just a tad bit, so you know you eliminated some of that starch. So right now, I'm putting water in my grits pot. I'm going to set it on the stove. I'm going to get that water rolling. So I like to get my water in a slight boil before I put the grits in. Now, at one point, I used to didn't do it that way, and then a friend of mine told me, and it actually works better, that the grits go all the way into hot water, still in cold. So give it a try. Put it inside boiling water. Now we got to go in our favorite sausages. Yep, Tennessee Pride. For the kiddos, now we're going to load up these grits. Water is good and boiling. And you'll have less likely a chance for it to stick when it's already boiling. But anyway, just keep an eye on it. 10, 11 in the morning, we doing good timing. We ain't got no way to go. Add a little bit of salt. Y'all, don't kill me. You got to have a little flavor. And we're going to go ahead and flip the sausage over. Whoa. They're about to flip them out of there, so I had to use my hand. But my hand's clean, y'all. My hand's clean. I'm feeding my family. I'm not feeding any guests. If I feed any guests, I probably would throw it out. Or give it to my family. So, yeah, we done with the sausage. Next, we're going to go ahead and get started with these. Oh, yeah, we got to clean our. We about to go ahead and get our sausage pan all cleaned up. I like to put it inside some hot water. You know, go ahead and break down that grease. So and now this is for me. This is your Oscar Mayer turkey bacon. Yes, Oscar Mayer turkey bacon. I found it to be the best. I mean, I would eat other turkey bacon, but this one got like a thick, almost sweet taste to it, but love it. Give my grits a quick stir. Now, since it's just me and Junior this morning, we're going to pop just 3 eggs and let him have at it. Get his proteins. I'm not an egg eater. Just under these. Maybe it's inside a cake or something like that. But just eating eggs with grits, and no, not for me. So we're going to get this turkey sausage a good flip. I like them kind of crispy, y'all. Crispy. Make sure they're well done. Add a little black pepper to these eggs. A little bit of flavor. A little bit of seasoning. Got a little drop or 2 of the vitamin D. The milk. That milk make your eggs a little fluff. I kind of overdid my eggs, but he enjoyed them. Add a little butter to the pan. Next, I get these eggs. Mix my eggs up. Get them a good whisking. Get them a good twirling. Give them a good flipping. Yep, that's about how I want it to look. Just a little while longer. Yep, there it goes. So now, I want to do it on low heat, but I boosted up because I want the hair to get done because we had some place to go. And a phone call coming, so I had to hurry up and get this breakfast all the way done so we could go ahead and get out the door. So far, the eggs are looking pretty good. Kind of overdid them, but I like to make sure my stuff is done. I hope my son chewing on, pretty much fried eggs. That's what I did. Not really scrambled, but it kind of came out fried. Smelled it great. Everything looked well done. He enjoyed them, so I'm going to break them up really well for my son so you can enjoy these eggs with his grits and his turkey bacon. It's really my turkey bacon, but he done rob him a piece or 2. But anyway, and his Carolina Pride pork sausage. I'm just breaking it up very well. Make sure the heat had penetrate throughout the entire egg. And it wouldn't hurt if you eat a little yolk in the egg. Because people eat yolks and just swallow and drink it for protein and weightlifting and all that stuff. So a little yolk ain't going to hurt nobody. Well, I just like to make sure it's well done before I prepare or before I serve it to my family. Looking pretty good. What you guys think? Some of you might say, it's burnt, man. It's burnt. Yeah, it kind of burnt too, but hey, it works. There we go. Cut the fire off. Now let's go ahead and plate it up. Yeah, the grits came out fabulous. I love the way these grits came out. Looking good. There go his sausages. There go mine, turkey bacon. Well, 3 of the pieces gonna be my turkey bacon. He done robbed me for 1. Go ahead and get his eggs. We're gonna go ahead and get him downstairs, get his juice. I want to say thank you all for taking time out to view our video. I just ask that you come back and see us sometime. Now, come back and see us by liking and subscribing. Thank you.